Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday sauce, so I'm going to quickly show you how to make an orange sauce for duck, otherwise known as duck à l'orange. It's extremely tasty and perfect for the holiday season, so let me show you how to make it. Round up 3 oranges and a lemon, grab a sauce pot, fill it up with water, place it on the burner, crank that heat up to high, and bring it to a boil. While you're waiting for the water to boil, zest all of the oranges and the 1 lemon. Make sure just to get the outside skin of the orange and lemon, the white inner membrane, that pith, it's bitter. You don't want that in your sauce. If you don't have a zester like I'm using, you can always use a knife or maybe even a potato peeler if it's sharp enough, and then cut them into strips. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, drop in your zest and let it cook or simmer for roughly about 5 minutes or until tender. While the zest do their thing, you can knock out your orange juice. You'll need at least 1 cup or 250 milliliters. So the 3 oranges that you zested, that should do the job. Freshly squeezed orange juice tastes best with the sauce. However, if you don't have a juicer, store-bought orange juice will work. It's been 5 minutes, the zests are done. Strain them out using a fine sieve and put them into a cold water bath or an ice bath. You don't need the zest cooking liquid, so you can really just strain the zest over a sink. I strained it out over a bowl just so that you could see what I was doing. At this point in the sauce making process, you're going to make a gastrique, so add 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of white granulated sugar to a sauce pot. To that, you'll add 1/3 cup or 83 milliliters of red wine vinegar. Turn your burner up to medium heat, cook this for a few minutes until it turns into a syrup and has an amber color. If for some reason you don't have your vent on, you definitely want it on now because this has a very strong vinegar smell that comes off of it. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes, with easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Check it out. This is the syrupy consistency you should be shooting for and that dark amber color. Grab your 1 cup or 250 milliliters of orange juice and pour it in. If you can pour the orange juice in and whisk or stir at the same time, it's best. Bring this back to a simmer over medium heat. Occasionally you'll have sugar lump up on the spoon or a whisk. It's okay, just keep stirring, it'll dissolve. After it comes to a simmer and is smooth, you can add 2 cups or 500 milliliters of a warm brown veal stock. If you don't have veal stock, you can always substitute with beef broth or beef stock. Bring this to a simmer over medium heat, making sure to skim off all of the foam and impurities off the top as you simmer it down. You want this to reduce by at least half. While this cooks down, you can work on your next step, cooking the duck breast. The duck can be cooked any way that you like. I like to score the fat side of the duck, make a checkered pattern, dry it off with a towel, and season it with salt and pepper. Place it into a saute pan, skin side down. I like to put it into a warm pan with butter, however, you can also put it skin side down on a cool pan with no butter. Cook it on the skin side for roughly 6 to 8 minutes, give it a flip, and cook it until it's done the way you like it. Or it's generally recommended to cook it to an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. Remove the duck from the pan, put it into a warm place to rest, and remove all of the grease from the pan. But keep all of those bits and pieces, that'll add flavor to your sauce. Round up your brown veal stock, which reduced by half while you're cooking the duck, and add it to the pan. Turn your burner up to medium heat, bring this to a simmer. While it starts to simmer, you can grab a flat bottom spatula and scrape the sides and bottom of the pan. That'll help release the fond or those bits and pieces of the duck up and into the cooking liquid. That'll add loads of flavor to your sauce. Once it starts to simmer, reduce it down for 5 to 8 minutes until it's as thick as you like. Moving right along, you're nearly done, just a few steps left. Remove the sauce from the heat, grab a clean sauce pot or saucepan and a fine sieve. Strain the sauce into a clean pan. This will help remove any impurities or lumps or anything of that nature and make it a nice clean sauce. Don't grab a spoon and smash anything through the sieve, just give it a tap on the side and all of the good liquid will come through. Snag some orange liqueur or a Grand Marnier, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters, pour it in. You can also turn your burner back on to medium heat. Grab your zest and add it to the orange sauce. Give this all a stir and heat it up for a few minutes. To wrap everything up, give the sauce a taste, adjust the seasoning, add a dash of salt or pepper if necessary. And that's it. That's how you make an orange sauce for duck. Perfect for a duck à l'orange. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it helpful too. If you happen to like sauces and gravy, smash that subscribe button and turn on the all notification bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks again, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.